We are in the last session, the fourth session of the program today. This is a very important session, in my opinion, and hope you agree with this. We spoke about the few sessions. The first one was on the concept of public transport, bus contracting. The last session before the tea break was features of efficient bus system, and I was also here in the system, and we were all enthused by the BRT presentation. In fact, I have been hearing to a lot of stalwarts in BRT, and I also agree with Shreya. I acknowledge your presentation, and I have been a fan of BRT also. I have been working a lot with the BRT advocacy group in Delhi and IIT. So I'm sure all of you will join hands to make this BRT a success, not only in Delhi, on other cities and in India, as Shreya has put up the slide that how much we need to grow by 2020 by more than 100 times. I think that's a very big task for us ahead. Now coming to this session, I think first of all I thank UITP, especially the India board and the India group who have been working very actively to make this session possible. DIMS who have been jointly organizing this program with UITP. I'm sure I consider this as a bus family. I'm a part of the bus family. I'm sure all of you agree with this. And today, with the growing concerns and the pollution levels in cities of India, and the graphs that were shown today is alarming. In fact, when we see these pictures, we realize where we are and we have to move and see the light of the day, what we have to do. The targets are very tough. I'm sure it is very, very difficult for us to really reach this target. And with the help of these expert speakers who have been really speaking since morning, and there are policy makers, and I also with the ministry in the morning. The ministry and the government of India has been very positive to this public transport issue. And in fact, we had a discussion in the morning also that the recent budget that was presented by the Honorable Finance Minister has also made a point on public transport. Let us not go into the details of what has been made in the speech or what has been brought out in this budget. But more important is everyone has really realized what is the importance of public transport. Now in this area, we have to acknowledge and really appreciate UITP worldwide. We are on the policy board of UITP. We always used to, voice our concern that UITP always looks to Europe and the developed world. Today we cannot say so because UITP is active in India. They also have the India board. And that's where we are here today. I think this is the fourth or fifth conference. I think Prakash would acknowledge this also, and we'll have more such programs in India. Now coming to the subject, what we have to do for India is more important from the lessons that are learned from policies and public transport which have been implemented in the developed world. Coming to this session on bus technology, nevertheless, I think we had a lot of important sessions in the morning. Though we are running behind schedule, but all the more it is more important that we should focus more on this session, because without bus we cannot do anything, and without bus technology I think nothing can move. So this is as important as most of the other sessions, and we should focus on this, and we have good expert speakers in this session. The first session will be the first speaker will be on cleaner and more efficient buses, technologies and global best practices. So in fact, from ASRTO, I represent the apex body of the public road transport in India. We try to replicate the best practices. We don't have to reinvent what has been done. We don't have to learn something by doing some mistakes. Let us try to implement what has already been learnt. So in this context, we have very good opportunity to learn from the experience of the speakers here. The first speaker will be Dr. Anup Bandiwadekar. He's from the Passenger Vehicle Program Director, International Council of Clean Transportation, ICCT, from the US. I had an informal talk to him also just before the break. I think we can transform a lot of things in public road transport. What we have seen is the major component of cost is the fuel, the staff, and the tires. So now what we have realized is this 80% of the cost, if we can really control or reduce by 3 to 5%, there will be a phenomenal saving in the cost of operations. And I am sure if not making a look at profit, we can definitely look at breaking even on our operations. So this was some of the area which has been of focus to us, and this bus technology will be the most important subject for us for discussion and presenting the case studies and papers. I would call upon Dr. Anup Bandiwadekar to kindly share his experience. Welcome, Mr. Anup, and the floor is yours.